What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol GREE for Greenidge Generations, also known as support.com, right? This was the one that did the merger there. On the left-hand side, we are looking at the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. This is one we've covered semi-regularly now on the channel, and the main thing to discuss today is the fact that we finally have a little bit of a hammer candle. Now, don't get me wrong, it is a red-bodied hammer. It's not as strong as it could be, but it might be the start of some sort of reversal, right? And I say the start because it needs to prove itself, right? Obviously, this has been falling out of the sky ever since the merger happened, and even pre-merger, right? It was still falling out of the sky here. So it's not to just say, jump in all in long, looking for this to move all the way back on up to 55. That's not the case at all. But what I am saying is maybe put this back on your watch list for the potential for a trend change here from the daily perspective. The first thing I want to do, again, noting the daily structure there, the hammer candle that's starting to form. If we look at the 30-minute, right, where does the trend technically change? And what I would advise you to do is just take out a trend line tool, come in from your highs, do something like this. What you'll notice is that we have, if we're coming in from here, this would be kind of cherry picking, a little bit too steep in my opinion. I really like this, the fit of this one, right? So we have anchor here, touch 1, touch 2, 3, and we kind of are breaking it into the end of today's session here on Tuesday. So it's not like we've fully reversed the trend already, but it could be the start of a reversal higher here inside of support.com. Taking a closer look at some of this price action, let me adjust this chart here so it's a little easier on the eyes. There we go. What you might notice is that this pattern here is simply a double bottom, right? We have touch 1, touch 2, neckline is right here. So where does the breakout and sort of trend change happen from the 30-minute perspective? Well, arguably, if we can get the move up and over 30.55, because if that happens, what would we have, right? We have equal lows instead of lower lows, and then we would have a higher high, right? Noting that our high was here, that would be a higher high, giving us the chance to pull back from a higher low, and so on and so forth for trend reversal here inside of support.com. So again, this is not a call for just all in long, but it is a call for maybe put this on a watch list for the potential for a reversal here on the daily and 30-minute, trend change, right? So that's what I want to advise. To the downside, if this does not happen, if we cannot get above that 30.55, it's still stand aside, let the dust settle, wait for true confirmation of a trend change, and don't, try to catch the falling knife, essentially. So those are my 2 cents here inside of support.com. If you enjoyed the video or learned anything new, let me know down below in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description, and all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.